In this lesson, we are going to learn about a very important and basic element of a shape, angle. Angles. Observe the figures. Each of the figure is made up of two rays. In figure 2 and 3, the two rays OM and ON meet at a common point O. What happens when two rays meet at one point? When two rays have a common endpoint, they form an angle. The common endpoint is called vertex of the angle. The two rays are called the arms of the angle. The figure OL and OS are the arms and point O is the vertex of the angle. Naming an angle. Every angle has one vertex and two arms. Let us learn to name an angle. The symbol angle is used to denote angles. The adjoining angle can be named as angle PQR, and in symbol it is written as angle PQR. Angle PQR can also be written as angle Q. Measuring angles. The standard unit for measuring angles is the degree. The symbol for degree is, we can use a protractor to measure angles. If you look at the protractor carefully, we can see two sets of measurements written on it. These are called scales. The inner scale has 0 degree to 180 degree written on it from right to left. The outer scale has 0 degree to 180 degree written on it from left to right. It also has a center and a baseline, joining the center to 0 degree. We will always start measuring an angle from 0 degree. Now, looking at this clock, what can you observe about it rather than time? Yes, we can see that the hour hand and minute hand are making an angle between them. But how can we identify what type of angle does it make? So, let us learn how we can identify different type of angles. But first, we will have a quick revision of types of lines. There are three types of lines: horizontal, slanting, vertical. Types of angles. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. In a right angle, one arm is always horizontal and the other arm is always vertical. As you can see in these examples, they all make a 90 degree angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is smaller than a right angle, so it measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. As you can see in these examples, they all make an angle less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is bigger than a right angle, so it measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. As we can see in these examples, all these angles are more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line angle. A straight angle is same as two right angles. As we can see in this example, all make an angle of 180 degree. A circle is made of many angles that sum up to 360 degree. Let us have a look at it. Now you will meet my special friend, Mr. Angle Tree. Observe the angle tree. Yes. Mr. Angle Tree making three angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Now identify the given angles into their types. As we observe, the first angle is greater than 90 degree, so this is an obtuse angle. As we observe this angle, it is 90 degree angle, thus it is a right angle. This angle is an acute angle as it makes an angle less than 90 degree, and thus we identify the other three angles too.